Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how we can change name on OKX wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, open up your OKX app and make sure you're signed in as well. Now from over here, tap on this menu icon given on top left corner. Once you have done that, this kind of interface is gonna pop up. From over here, simply go ahead, tap on your email address on top. Now then your profile's information gonna open up right over here. So from over here, simply go ahead, go to this option of nickname. And once you're over here, simply go ahead, go to the nickname section and go ahead, delete the previous one and add the new name that you would like to change into. And then simply tap on this option of submit, which will simply light up afterwards. And once you updated and submitted it, this is how your notification gonna pop up. You can see nickname submitted successfully. Now under review. Once the review is done, your nickname will be changed and it will be visible right over there as well. You can come and check it out. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.